Hey guys, I had a student ask me about one of the questions in the chain rule homework that used the chain rule multiple times, and I'm going to try to do it so you can watch it and see if this helps you. I noticed there are three functions being composed here. I have 3e to the x, I have tangent of something, and I have sine of something. I'm going to need to take the derivatives of all three of those functions. When I take the derivative of the sine function, I take the derivative of it and keep the tangent 3e to the x. When I take the derivative of tangent, I take the derivative of it and keep 3e to the x. The derivatives of the inner functions get tacked on to the end. Remember the rule, dy dx is dy du times du dx. All right, so in this problem, I'm going to let u equal 3e to the x. And I'm going to let v, something else, equal tangent of u. So now v is tangent of 3e to the x. Oh, I see I need another parentheses up there. Okay. And then I'm going to let y equal sine of v. And my derivative, y prime, is going to equal basically dy dv times dv du times du dx. So dy dx here, or y prime, equals dy dv is the derivative of sine of v, which will be cosine of v, times dv du is the derivative of tangent of u, which will be secant squared of u. And then du dx is going to be the derivative of 3e to the x, which is 3e to the x. All right, so basically I've got my whole derivative here. I just have to replace v with tangent u, and replace u with 3e to the x, and then replace that other u with 3e to the x. So I'm going to get cosine of tangent u times, that was just me replacing v with tangent u. And then I'm going to have all of this, but instead of u, I'm just going to write 3e to the x. So I have secant squared of 3e to the x times the derivative of 3e to the x. So the last thing I have to do is put 3e to the x in for this u. So I'm going to get cosine of tangent of 3e to the x times, oops, I have too many times right there, and then times all of this. And that's it. I can't simplify anymore. I can't group any of these together. I can't use identities or anything. I could write them in a different order since it's a product. But that's how I would do a chain rule with three parts.